Okay guys, ito, special transaction to. Another unit guys. Full specs ng unit natin tonight. It's a Specialized Epic hardtail. Full carbon frame, size extra small. Very rare size yung ganyan. Kaya good for, alam nyo na kung anong height. Sa pambabae, pwede rin to. And then, Fox 32, performance step cast na port. Manual lockout, 100mm travel, boost size 29. Maganda rin ang group set ito guys. Shimano XT na 1x12. Straight yan. Yan o, straight group set. Even yung hubs, XT din. Tsaka brake set and rotors. And then wheel set, stance arc na MK3. Alloy rims with pillar spokes. Sa gulong natin, Schwalbe na racing rod. Cockpit, specialized na straight cockpit with saddle. So guys, ito ay available for full bike. Pwede rin part out. Pero kung may taker ng whole bike, mas maganda. Sariwang sariwa, lady owned. Alam nyo na.